Anbernic has a new smart controller they're releasing soon. It's called the Anbernic RG G01 Smart Controller. It's insane. There's a screen on the front. There's like 4 buttons down here. There's 4 buttons in the back. It just looks sick. This is their video here that they have showing it off. They have a curved, full laminated smart screen. There's a heart rate detector and a heart rate alarm. This is insane. There's a gyroscope, 6-axis gyroscope. There's the triggers, the joysticks, and the motion sensor calibration. That is wild. You can just use it like a steering wheel. That's actually very convenient. You can program the keys. You can cheat. You can do a rapid fire. Okay, I looked up what purple Kirin is. It's apparently this just means that you won't get any drift in your stick when you use it over a long period of time. I'm assuming that's what that means. Because it's like a Hall effect controller. And then there's like tactile switches in the D-pad. 2-stage trigger locks, so you have better control over your triggers. That's cool, so it makes it more convenient to play driving games. You can do 1 taps on the controller or just hold it down. They have the haptic feedback. And they also come in 3 colors. They come in a yellow, a black, and white. Thanks for watching.